Hola estudiantes, buenas tardes. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo Profesora Garcia and I'm going to record this video in English. I'm going to be your Spanish professor for this summer semester, and I'm very pleased to take the time to introduce myself to you and tell you a little bit about me. First off, welcome to my messy home office with poor lighting. But the point is the introduction. So I currently reside in Virginia Beach, Virginia with my family. I'll give you a little bit about my educational background. I studied at Longwood University, which is located in Virginia, but that's where I did my undergrad and my graduate work. But I spent many of those semesters in Spain at the Universidad de Valencia, and I just loved it, and I kept going back. And so my master's is in curriculum and instruction. I actually met my husband in my second semester in Spain, and we've been married ever since. 23 years in August. And we have two children. Our son is 21, and he is currently in the Coast Guard. He's in ASTA school, which is a very rigorous program, and he absolutely loves it. Our daughter, she's a junior in high school, and she's doing great. We also have a little dog, actually kind of a big dog. She's 50 pounds, and she's laying here by my side. She's an old girl, and she's just sending good vibrations to support your Spanish learning. Some things I enjoy doing in my free time. Since we live at the beach, we go to the beach a lot. Love it. And we have kayaks, and so we like to take the kayaks out. As a family, we enjoy lots of meals together. I love to cook and eat. We don't go to restaurants a lot. We're more kind of like in-home people as far as the cuisine goes. But other than that, we're out. We like to play sports a lot. We go to the gym. We ride our bikes all the time when the weather permits. My daughter and I, we play volleyball together. Actually, my daughter plays volleyball 5 times a week. She's super intense about it. I am less intense. I play once a week, poorly, but I love it. It's just rec league, and it's a lot of fun. That's about it. That's all I can think of. Obviously, I like to read as well. Professionally, I didn't tell you I was a teacher forever, many moons in high school. And then I finally graduated and went to college, and I loved it. I was teaching full-time in Norfolk, Virginia, at a university, but I still had something inside me where I wanted to study interpreting. And so I made the decision to start doing that, and I am about halfway through that journey, and I've missed teaching so much. I haven't taught a course since December. I started tutoring just to get that back, and so I really enjoyed preparing your course so far. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, you can always contact me. I look forward to hearing a little bit more about you, and thank you for watching this mini presentation.